morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. Oh my gosh, we did it, guys. We finally did it. We just went 60 for 60 winning trades on this channel, and this was the last one that came out. I just updated this morning. A 50% market exit for a profit of 7.24%, and then we also moved the rest of the 50% of the trade to a 3.31% quote-unquote guaranteed profit, guys. This is crazy. I'll show that trade to you guys real quick. This is over here in link. So basically, everyone, I will get over to the coin we're tracking today, I promise, guys. But everyone got in at 25.41. I called this exit just this morning at 27.21. That was a 7.24% profit, and then moving our stop loss to 3.31. Guys, if you want a place to trade where we are not losing any trades here because of the good risk management, the indicators and metrics, I want to make that clear. This is the spot to be, okay? So let's go over Dogecoin, because I'm going to teach you guys how to exit this trade today, because a lot of you got in at different levels than I did. So let's just jump right in. I'm not going to waste time here. So those of you following me, I ended up calling out this entry here, the buy limit on September 7th, and that was on this drop right here. We didn't buy into the top. We saw the trend exhaust and was pushing to the top levels. The well money flow was clearly making lower highs here, saying, hey guys, make sure you have these indicators. Watch this. This is pushing up to a higher high and money's flowing out of the market. This is where we're going to see drops. We ended up seeing that big drop. We got picked up. So I was hoping that the price would crash and come down to 19 cents so we could get our second buy limit hit and get a good break-even entry that would literally be like right here. But it didn't, so we're still holding this. No problem whatsoever. It's going to be a super hard trade to lose. However, what I ended up doing once this was out here is I ended up calling out an entry down here. So let me show that to you guys, because it's actually on the Dogecoin charts over here. So quick pause. Can I do a little commercial thing real quick? If you guys want to trade with us, we are 60 for 60 wins. We're doing really good. Come over to pricing. It's just $49 a month. I am going to be looking to up the price of this because it's so cheap. Once you do that, it will unlock all the pages on our website for all of the metrics that I'm going to go over today, as well as all the live trades, okay? Come down here, and I'm actually going to show you guys Dogecoin because I want to keep this transparent. This is where we were 2 days ago. We ended up hitting our target price, our entry of 0.22. I want to keep all this transparent. So I know I'm showing private member-only stuff, but this updated yesterday on October 13th. Great. Let's move over here. You guys got triggered in down here at 0.22. What I'm calling today, and by the way, I am not counting this as a win. I will only, mark my words, guys, I will only count wins, the 60 for 60, that I can prove to you that I've taken and I've shown on video on YouTube. It would not be right of me, in my personal opinion, to call this a win because I didn't actually cover it on YouTube, because it just gets weird. So nope, not going to do it. But this is what I want you guys to do, because I know a ton of you guys followed this entry the last 2 days and you got into Dogecoin and it started shooting up here. You guys at the moment are currently up on this position. Let me get the price tool here. I'm actually going to tell you exactly what to do today, because this is what I would do. You're up about 5.89%. Here is my official call on this, and I'm only going to update it on this video, and I'm not going to do it again. So please watch this fully. And this is exactly how we manage these trades. What I want you guys to do is look to take 50% out of the market. This is not financial advice. This is what I would do, okay? This is going to be an exit right now. So 50% exit, and this is October 14th. This is so exciting. We're like literally making money right now on this channel. Okay, all of you guys are in here, market exit of 50% for 5.89%. Then what you're going to do with the rest of your 50%, because there's still 50% in this trade, you're going to put a stop loss, okay, of 50% down here at the entry, and this is for October 14th. Why do I do this? This now guarantees that you guys are going to win this trade, because you're exiting 50% in the profit for 5.89%, and then your stop loss is moved to the entry price, so you can't lose any more, quote-unquote, guaranteeing yourself this winning trade. It's extremely hard to lose, and it's pretty much impossible unless there's slippage. There's not going to be that much in Doge. You have to have slippage all the way back down to like 20 cents, and that's not going to happen, okay? I'm very confident about that. So that is the official call, guys. So I'm not going to say what we would have been. We are 60 for 60 because the link trade was actually 60 for 60 in here. So great job, guys. We're a little bit higher than 60 for 60, but again, only the trades that I'm able to prove to you with video proof that we have taken are the ones that I'm going to keep track of, as well as, and on top of that, I have proof of all the entries on our website, as well as the management over here. So congrats, guys. We hit our October goal of 60 for 60 trades, and you guys just made money on this. So let's do this now. What are you going to do with that other 50%? We need to come down here and watch the indicators. This is why it's so important to have these guys, because a lot of you guys aren't able to enter in with the entries that I do. You're actually sometimes getting better entries like this. So you need to be using the trend exhaustion and the price versus the well money flow to get out of your trades. Watch. The reason why I'm exiting 50% right now is clearly because the trend exhaustion is in the top red section. Last time we pushed up here, this is where we got to a high and we saw a move back down. The previous time before that was right here, and we ended up seeing a drop back down in Dogecoin. The previous time before that was obvious on the chart here, and that was right up in this area, and then we started seeing this move down. You come further in the back, you see the wick values over here. This is where that was calling a drop, and that's exactly what happened on Dogecoin, was a drop. Previous time before that was where we ended up calling the actual huge drop on all of cryptocurrency, and we actually got picked up on trades like a Cardano at $2.01. Previous time before that, we see the red section up here, and then we see a drop down. I know you guys can barely see this, but look at this over here, like literally calling the drop that's not even on the chart yet. And then like we can see this here. So it held true 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times in a row. This is the eighth time that I do believe you guys are going to see a drop in Dogecoin. So you need to be looking to take profit. And I'm keeping you guys safe in here with the indicators that you guys can get in the description. And yes, guys, I know I'm a broken record of this. I am raising the prices of these indicators. Before the end of the month, you guys only have, what is it, the 14th, 31, I don't know what the math is. Check in the description. You only have a few days left, and I'm going to up the price to the price versus the well money flow. And then the trend exhaustion is going to go up as well before the end of the year. Take a look at this. When top red sections are hit, as well as money flow in green at the top, this is when we see massive moves back down in the market. It is correlated here with that massive drop. Here, massive drop. Here, massive drop. There, massive drop. That's why I say you need to have both of them so you guys can have positive correlation on two things. You know, one's great. Having another one just for confirmation is even better. So what I'm calling out right now is that 50% exit, because I do expect to see Dogecoin start to move back down here, at least create a nice low, high, higher low formation before we start moving up. So guys, that is why you want to get those. The indicators are over in the description. It's called, basically, I think I named it Get Our Trading View Indicators. Click on here. This is the page you're going to be taken to. Here's the price versus the well money flow. Boom, get that. Trend exhaustion, definitely get that. Get the bundle pack. This will save you guys the most money on all of the indicators. It will also give you guys 4 other indicators on top of this that are really, really awesome for stocks and Forex. You guys will absolutely love those. This is not going to go up in price. I will be raising the prices of these. So this is going to be appreciating in value. Guys, snag those, get them on. All right, that's what my call is for Dogecoin. Now, let's assess where we're going to be going by looking at the actual metrics for Dogecoin. I'm just like so jacked. I didn't think we were going to hit 60 for 60 this soon, but you guys are doing so well. Oh, you know what? I was going to update profits today. You know, I'll try to do it in some other videos, and I'll definitely do it tomorrow. Because I have some crazy testimonials in here. This is awesome, like $14,000 in 5 hours. This guy made $5,000 by following the calls that I made to close a trade. 8.6%. You guys are seeing other things in here. Like this guy took his account from 33,000 to 40,000. Using our strategy, had the trend exhaustion, the price versus the well money flow. Guys, they're using this stuff. This guy made $1,000 while he slept, so on and so forth. It's pretty cool. Okay, the emotional index right now for Dogecoin. Let's take a look at this. We are not pushing up to higher highs. We are not crushing down to lower lows. That's not happening. We're basically sitting in this neutral section. And if you just visually look at this, guys, I've been calling this out forever that Ethereum, Dogecoin, ADA, and VET are my top picks. Look at where you guys are buying down here. Like, this is incredible buying opportunities. This is still showing neutral, but buying down here when we're this low is great. Now, if we start to pump back up here and really see the moves like this happen, this makes me a little bit nervous when we start buying up here. But right now, guys, Doge is such an amazing coin. It's not going to go away. Elon Musk is literally like one tweet away from just skyrocketing this, in my personal opinion. There is still a cult following around this. There is still so much money in Dogecoin. Let's take a look at this. Dogecoin blockchain metrics here. What's actually happening as far as transactions on the blockchain for Dogecoin? Well, we see this correlation here. Price structure moving down, long trades moving into the market. This is a bullish sign, okay? I've shown this to you guys on Bitcoin many, many times. When price action goes down and long trades increase, what does that simply mean? It means demand is taking over for the price because it is getting to lower prices. Demand took over right down here. Demand, I'm not going to draw it all out, or that's a D. Demand took over, and that's what's pumping the price back up. What did we do, guys? We got in, bought you guys in at really low levels, and you guys are able to take profit this morning to make money on this channel. Good job. Watch this, however. Short trades are increasing in the market, excuse me, for Dogecoin. So, hold on. Water break here. Talking too much. Too early to be talking this much. Short trades are increasing. So what I want us to be watching for in here, the point of pointing this out, is that this could put some pressure on the price moving up. Not only do we have the trend exhaustion at the top, the well money flow at the top, but we also have the short trades blockchain metrics increasing. That could put some pressure on Dogecoin. That's why you guys want to look for some exits. Now, take a look at this, guys. Long versus short trade risk. Where are the best places to be taking trades? It is long trades for sure. The metric is in the good long trade section. Congrats, guys. You're following the metrics and you guys are making money. I promise you guys are doing well. And congratulate yourself, guys, because you are officially trading with Wells Institutions and Smart Money because they bought down here. And guess what? They're all making money this morning as well with you guys on this pump up here. And we have some pretty high roller traders that trade our strategy that I personally coach one-on-one between $100,000 to $1 million in crypto right now. And they are following our entries here and they're doing incredibly well. Those are the ones, there's people with less money, but they are trading for a living, doing $30,000 a week. I have another person that's just, oh my gosh. I don't want to release names at all, but they're doing incredible. This is the first time, guys. I actually did a business about 2 years ago coding indicators for TradingView. I got to admit, guys, I have had far more people trading for a living based off this strategy than anything else. And it's because people are more confident to put more money into the market because we aren't losing trades. Yes, the profits may not be as high as you want them because we're using a smaller percentage per entry, but people are finding the confidence of like, you know what, I was going to put $10,000 in the market, but I just put in 50,000 to 100 because they were confident that their risk management strategy was there to protect them, and they're making more money because they're investing more money. I'm telling you guys, confidence comes when you can prove that you can win trades and you have good risk management. That is what I'm trying to prove to you guys on this channel. That's why we have so many people over here and a lot of high roller traders in this Telegram channel. We're not 10,000 subscribers, the biggest one out there. We're brand new since March. But we have a lot of people trading for a living on this channel. It's pretty incredible. Okay, let's look at this. Dogecoin. Where are we going to head to? This is where we were yesterday. Obviously, we've moved up. The next resistance point is 27 cents. Let's take a look at 27 cents. 27 cents is simply just structure higher. Now, could we start blasting up here? Yes. Now this is why, let me refer to this trade in here. You guys know this is the past one. This is why I do not move our buy limit, let's say, to the middle here. Questions I get, and it's a very good question, by the way. Travis, why are we moving our buy limit to the break-even place and not at least capturing some more profits by moving it up? Here's the reason why. Is because a move up will usually always see a higher low formation and then pump back up. You do not want to be tagged out on this lower formation just to watch your money be gone to have this shoot straight back up. You must allow time for this to move down and give it space to move down and then shoot back up. This actually already happened. Let me see if I can I know this happened on one of our trades already. Hold on. Let me find this. Was it on DOT? It wasn't on DOT. You guys are doing ridiculous on DOT, by the way. All these trades are in the profit. I want to show, sorry, let me find this for you real quick. Because I actually saw it this morning. What happened is you guys got into the profit and then it came back and then, yes, right here. Actually, it was this one. So this right here, 50% exit. This moved all the way up to here. I called a 50% exit. You guys did not get tagged out in here. There's clearly, obviously we have a gap here. So no one got tagged out, but this allowed for more profits in the market because I set it low. So the higher low formation could form so it could keep moving up. I promise, guys, I'm so meticulous about where I'm putting these buy limits after 3,500 hours of trading. I just... I don't trust me. I just want to say that, not to be arrogant, but trust me that I have a good grasp on what's happening in the market. Okay. Let's move down here. Dollar cost average entries for Dogecoin. Great, guys. If you got into here, this is obviously pushing up here. Holding for 5 to 10 years, then exiting, that's fantastic. Coming down here and looking at this, guys, what a beautiful call this made for Dogecoin exits to get people out of long trades, or at least look to, maybe sell out of the market and maybe go short. That was the call right here. That's the block of red that you guys are seeing before we saw this move back down. So guys, that's a full update for Dogecoin. Congratulations for winning this trade, literally live on this video kind of. I'll release it right now. You guys want to make sure you get the trend exhaustion, the price versus the well money flow. They're going up in price, and use these to manage your trades that I am personally not in so you guys can keep making money. Once you're in a trade, you see the trend exhaustion at the top, exit 50%, move your stop loss down. We're already seeing a little drop here, so I want to get this video out for you guys. But make sure you guys are following along here. The Telegram channel, $49 a month for the membership. Let's see if we can actually go 65 for 65 wins in October. Why not? Let's just go for it. And then everything you guys need, obviously, is in the description for indicators over here. God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing, amazing day. I'll keep you guys covered. I'll go over a couple more videos today, and let's just keep making money on tradeconfident.io. If you have any questions, I did a huge FAQ page down here that will answer all of you guys' questions. Email me if you have any extra ones at betradeconfident@gmail.com. I guarantee you guys will learn how to make more money if you guys just take 5 minutes to read this FAQ section. And don't forget to add yourself to the Telegram channel once you guys have your paid membership, because that is where you guys will actually get me over here to help you guys exit trades and follow my strategy. So there you guys go. Have a good one. Everything you need is in the description. Let's do this. Next video coming up. Let's make some more money. Bye, guys.